Assalamualaikum and very good morning everyone. Welcome to the first community meeting for the 2024 ATSA Interior Team Building event. I hope all of you are doing well. Thank you for being on time. Let's begin the meeting. In the agenda, we will discuss suggestion for team building activities, the job scope of the community members, and finalize the day, date, and venue of our next meeting. Before we start, let's confirm attendance. Ms. Izzati, could you do the roll call?
Of course. Sir AZRI,
Present.
Mr. AMSYAR,
Present.
Mr. AFIQ,
Present.
Mr. Izzat,
Present.
Mr. HAZIQ,
Present.
and myself, Secretary, present. All members are in attendance.
Thank you. Since everyone is present, there are no apologies for absence. Let's move on the main agenda. First suggestion for team building activity. Does anyone have any ideas?
Yes, I have proposed a treasure hunt activity. It's engaging and encourage teamwork. We could design the task around our company values.
That's a great idea. I also like to suggest a cooking challenge. It's fun and will allow team to bond over a shared goal.
Both ideas sound excellent. Another suggestion is a sports day featuring activities like a tug of war or relay races. It's active and promote healthy competition.
Oh, those are great options. I also propose a problem-solving workshop where teams tackle challenges together, the building a bridge or solving a mystery.
Wow, these are all fantastic suggestions. Let's take a few minutes to discuss each one in more detail. Mr. Amshar, could you elaborate on the treasure hunt idea?
Alright, sure. So the treasure hunt can involve clues related to our company's history and values. For example, we can have stations that represent different departments where teams must complete tasks to get the next clue. So it's interactive and will help everyone learn more about our workplace.
I like that. It's engaging and educational. For the working challenge, we can have team create a dish using specific ingredient provided to them. We could even bring in a professional chef to judge the result.
Both ideas are strong. For sports day, we can organize teams to include employees from different departments. Activities like tug of war encourage team spirit, while relay races can highlight individual contributions.
I like to add that for the problem-solving workshop, we could hire a facilitator to run the session. The teams could be tasked with building something or solving a fictional crisis. It's a great way to foster creativity and teamwork.
Excellent input, everyone. Ms. Izzati, please take note this suggestion. We will decide on the final itinerary in the next meeting after reviewing the cost and logistics. Now let's move on the second agenda, which is job scope of the commitment members. Ms. Izzati, could you outline the roles?
Sure. Definitely. The rules are follows. Number one is funding. Talk about responsible for managing the budget and seeking sponsorship. Number two is military and technical support to ensure that the schedule is well planned and manage all the technical requirements. Number three is welfare and safety. Focus on participants' health and safety. Number four is venue and logistics. This part is handled about the venue arrangement and transportation. And the last one is food and beverage. This part is planned and organized meals and refreshment.
Thank you, Ms. Izzati. Let's proceed with the assigning the role for the team. Mr. AMSYAR will be responsible for funding. Mr. AFIQ will handle the itinerary and provide technical support. Mr. Izzat will oversee welfare and safety. Mr. HAZIQ will take charge on venue and logistics. Finally, the secretary, Ms. IZZATI, will manage food and beverage. Does everyone agree with this assignment?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. Let's take a moment for each of you to show how your plan to approach roles. Mr. AMSYAR first.
Okay, for my side, for funding, I plan to approach a local business for sponsorships, and I will also draft a budget to ensure we allocate funds efficiently.
For the itinerary, I outline a detailed schedule considering the suggestion made earlier. I also coordinate with members to ensure technical needs are met.
And as welfare and safety, I ensure we have a first kit on site and communicate with local authorities for emerging supports. I also prepare guidelines for the participants.
I think the venue and logistics are crucial, but I will scout suitable venues and handle transportation arrangement to ensure everything runs smoothly.
Okay, so for food and beverage, I will reach out to caterers and collect dietary preferences from employees and accommodate everyone.
Thank you. It's a great to see everyone idea to manage their role. Let's move to any other agenda or idea that everyone want to suggest or add.
Just a quick note, we should create a WhatsApp group to ensure that the communication running smoothly.
Agree, we should also share a document summarizing to the discussion for future reference.
Excellent idea. Miss Izzati, please handle those tasks. Now, let's finalize the date, time and venue of our next meeting. How about next Monday at the same time and place in the meeting room at ATSA Tower?
Agreed.
I agree.
Agree.
Okay, great. Before we conclude, thank you all for your participation and valuable input. Let's work together and make this event success. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Alright, bye.